If your field notebook is in a Google document, I wanted to show you a couple of ways that you can add drawings into a Google document. One way is you could draw something on a piece of paper and take a picture of it and insert it in. You could go to Insert Image and upload something from your computer. The other thing you can do is use the Google Drawing tool. So if you go Insert, Drawing, Add New, then you can draw on this area here. So probably one of the most useful actions here is to go to the line and select Scribble, and then you can draw freely like you would on a piece of paper. So maybe I start drawing what I think a pile of mulch would look like if that's the condition that I chose. If you want, you can also change the color of your lines. The other thing that you can do is include shapes. You can also add images. If you don't want to draw something, for example, you could search for like water droplet if you wanted to add some water into your drawing somewhere. So you can select one, insert it into your drawing. Hit the little arrow icon to make sure you're selecting it and not drawing anymore, and then move it around and drag it to wherever you want it to be in your drawing. The other really important tool to use is the text box, because of course we want to label anything that's in our drawing. So you can draw a text box and label a component here, for example, our woody mulch. So go through and label anything that's in your drawing. Once you are happy with it, you can save and close. And then you can drag it into the box where you want it to be. You can resize it as well to make sure it fits and move it around as needed. And you can do the same again for your second drawing.